So guys, you either want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description, or you can just type in ASUS drivers, and then you want to head over to the download center. And then from here you want to select your product type. And then you want to select your product series. And you want to select your product model. Now once you've selected these three things, this should change over here, and then you want to select drivers and tools, which will then take us to this page. Now you want to scroll down and then select your operating system. If you're on Windows 11 and it doesn't say Windows 11, then Windows 10 should still work perfectly. Then you want to scroll down and then click on the audio download. You want to download this. Now once you downloaded this, you want to right click and hold it, and then you want to drag it to a blank space and then drop it, and then click on extract. Click on extract again. Now once that's been done, you want to double click on the folder, click on Real Tech, and then you want to click on the setup. Click on yes, and then from here we just install it. Click on next. Now it's installing. Now once you get to this stage, you want to click on no, I will restart my computer later, and then click on finish. Now once you get to this stage, you want to make sure that you have yes, I want to restart my computer now selected, and then click on finish. And then your computer will restart, and then that's how you do it.